students. Now in this video I am going to discuss question B of exercise 10.1. Count the number of cubes and find the volume in cubic centimeter. Here again we are asked to find out the volume by counting the number of cubes. Children, look at this picture. In this picture you can see there are 4 layers having different number of cubes, right? Hence, to find out the total number of cubes, we need to count number of cubes in every layer individually and then we have to add them. See the first layer. In the first layer you can see there are 4 cubes this side and 1 cube this side. So number of cubes in one layer are 4 into 1, that is 4. In the second layer you can see there are 3 cubes this side and 1 cube this side. So number of cubes in second layer are 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. In third layer you can see there are 2 cubes this side and 1 cube this side. So number of cubes in third layer are 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. And in the fourth layer you can see there is only 1 cube this side and 1 cube this side. So number of cubes in fourth layer is 1. Now if we add all these cubes, what we will get? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 10, right? See here, total number of cubes come 10. Hence, volume is equal to 10 cubic centimeter. See the second picture. In this picture, how many layers you can see? This is a 1 layer, this is a 2 and this is 3. Total there are 3 layers. Again all 3 layers having different number of cubes. So let us count them layer wise. In the first layer we have 4 cubes this side and 2 cubes this side. Hence number of cubes in first layer are 4 into 2, which is equal to 8. In the second layer we have 2 cubes this side and 2 cubes this side. Hence number of cubes in second layer are 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. And in third layer we have 1 cube this side and 2 cubes this side. Hence the total number of cubes are 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. And this is the upper surface, okay? Don't count it. Now total number of cubes become 8 plus 4 plus 2. How much it will be? 14. Hence the volume is 14 cubic centimeter. Now coming to the third shape. In this shape you can see there are 3 layers. 1, 2 and 3. And this is the upper surface. Now to find the volume, let us count the number of cubes layer wise. Because in this shape again all the layers have different cubes, right? Now in the first layer you can see here there are 5 cubes and this side we have 3 cubes, right? So number of cubes in the first layer are 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. Now in the second layer we have 4 cubes this side and 3 cubes this side. So number of cubes in the second layer are 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. And in third layer we have 3 cubes this side and 3 cubes this side. 3 3s are 9, means there are 9 cubes in third layer. Hence the total number of cubes are 15 plus 12 plus 9. It is become 36. Hence the volume is 36 cubic centimeter. Likewise you can do fourth example given in your textbook.